Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can encrypt and decrypt data using Swift's CryptoKit in native iOS application. So I have created a UIKit application, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. There is no UI logic as such, there is only business logic. So I'm just running my application on the simulator. It is taking a bit of time. So this is the data which I'm passing. Nobody does it better. So this is the string which I'm passing. So first it is encrypting it and we are decrypting it. So hopefully you should be able to see the same string inside the console as well. There is nothing else to the application. So first to create it you just have to import CryptoKit. Okay, then here we have created this cipher suite. Okay, and here you have to use this X-Wing MLK. Even I don't really understand this, but you will have to use this one. This is the info, which can be anything. You can change it to your application name if you feel like. And this is the metadata thing. So here you can see the data has been decrypted and printing it in the console. And this is the metadata part. Again, I'm not really sure what's the need of it, but I think metadata is related to what message you are sending or what data you are encrypting, because you could be encrypting multiple things. Then here is the public key variable, here is the private key, here is encapsulated data, and here is the ciphertext. Then inside view did load. I'm just initializing our private key. From our private key I'm getting the public key. Then what I'm doing is basically you require this particular sender, right? So if your sender is there, it would require the public key of your recipient, but in our case we are just encrypting and decrypting the data, so we don't have two devices, right? So we just get the public key, pass it over here, we pass the cipher suite as well as the info. Then we get the encapsulated key from our sender as well as the ciphertext. Okay, once we get the encapsulated key and ciphertext, we create an hp key dot recipient, passing in the private key, cipher suite, info as well as encapsulated key. Then here we pass the decrypted data, so recipient dot open, passing in the ciphertext, and inside authenticating we just pass our metadata. Then here we just convert it to proper string, so with the help of this, and in case if it is an optional, I'm just doing this and printing it to the console. So yeah, that's how easily you can encrypt and decrypt data using Swift's CryptoKit. Thank you for watching. Bye.